Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see that how can we just take the input from the user of the tuple. So till now what we were doing, we were simply taking the variable inside which we were just like storing out the random, or I would say for the problematic tuple what we were used to perform the task, right? But now I just want to say that user should input in the terminal the elements for tuple. So how can we just take the input from user? Okay, so let's just create a variable with the name as user input, which is going to be taken by the input function, of course. Okay, and it will say to user that just enter the numbers with spaces to separate them properly. Okay, so you will need to enter a few numbers in the tuple. So that is going to be stored out with the help of the function. Just create a function tuple from input. So this is a variable which would be giving us the result. So we are going to use three main keywords here, that is tuple, which is going to use the map function, which is going to use the integer kind of numbers, and which is going to user input. Okay, so whatever the user is given the input, by the help of split option you're going to just get those numbers, and by the help of print we can just simply write something here. Let's say tuple entered is. So here I can give my tuple from input function, right? Let's just try to check it out. So they're telling us to write and input it out, right? So let's just input it 89 separated 77 separated 5. Let's just enter. So this is what tuple I have entered. Okay, so you can just check out here what we used to do. We have just taken the map keyword integer and tuple, and we have just taken the input function to input the tuples. This is how you can just use out the keywords and function, and you can just get the input of the tuple. Thank you.